The weed eater head is a part of the whole weed eater. However, it's the part that mostly comes into contact with the weeds. Therefore, it's prone to wear and tear more often than the rest of the trimmer. This is why we're looking at some amazing replacement head trimmers so that you can continue fighting the good fight. There are many products available to choose best string trimmer head, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and complete a list of the best string trimmer head from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any farther delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Husqvarna 966,674,401 T25 trimmer head. With a top-rated string trimmer replacement head like the Husqvarna 966,674,401 on your weed whacker, taming that overgrown grass and pesky weeds will become a lot easy. This well-built trimmer replacement head comes with an easy-to-reload spool that will come off with its end cup to ensure putting in a new spool takes little effort and time. Husqvarna makes this replacement head to fit both curved and straight shaft trimmers, and with the split spool design, winding new line will be super easy and with no guesswork as the correct winding direction is clearly marked. This replacement head does not seem to hold a lot of string, or at least not as much as the larger factory Husqvarna trimmer heads that come with their string trimmers. However, for individuals with standard lawn sizes, it holds more than enough. Number 2. MaxPower 3,317,233 PivoTrim Universal Replacement Head. Nothing is more disappointing than buying a string trimmer replacement head only to find that it will not fit your trimmer. But, with a universal model like the Better Heads LLC model 3,317,233, this will hardly ever be the case as it can fit almost any trimmer model. Besides the universal compatibility, other things that make this one of the best universal string trimmer replacement heads include the quick and easy installation and the fact that it allows for super easy line loading. Given that this is a one-size-fits-all trimmer head, it might not feel very secure on some string trimmer models, but the good news is that it will hardly ever wobble in any trimmer, provided you install it securely. Number 3. Echo Speed Feed 400 Trimmer Head. The universal design of the Echo 99,944,200,907 is what gives it an edge over most others out there, as it means you can use it on almost any string trimmer. Besides the universal compatibility, it has also been built to fit both straight and curved shaft trimmers, which further makes it more versatile. Many users will love its solid and rugged overall construction, as it will ensure that it can handle the abuse that comes with regular trimming jobs. When you compare this Echo string trimmer replacement head with other models on our list, it is a little pricier, but given its rugged construction and universal compatibility, it is worth paying a few extra bucks. Number 4. Husqvarna 537,388,101 T35 Trimmer Head. An easy-to-use trimmer replacement head like the Husqvarna 537,388,101 makes weed cutting hassle-free, and it also comes in a universal design that allows you to use it on most straight shaft trimmers. This trimmer head will include adapters for different trimmers to make it easy to install on your trimmer. Also, the trimmer head makes spool loading quick and easy, and it will include a split spool design to minimize common problems like tangling and line welding. The spool on this trimmer head includes 2 key slots that are very handy in keeping the trimmer line in place and ensuring it does not unwrap when putting the cap back on your trimmer. And it will also hold up to 28 feet of trimming line and accommodate different gauge lines. Number 5. Weed Warrior Brush Cutter Weed Trimmer Blade Head. This is one of the best bladed trimmer heads you'll find in the market. Whether you're using bump feed heads or another type of head, you want it to be effective. This trimmer head offers that. In addition, you get 3 metal blades at your disposal with this trimmer head. Therefore, if you're dealing with stubborn weeds with thick stalks or a thick undergrowth, this trimmer head will do the work for you. No more worrying about reloading your trimmer line as you use this Weed Warrior brush cutter. Once you're done replacing the blades, you can then reassemble the halves of this trimmer line. Again, you'll have a different experience using blades than you would if you were to use a trimmer line or wire brush. With this purchase, you also get the hardware you need to attach this trimmer head to your trimmer. This trimmer head works great with most gas trimmers and electric trimmers.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.